Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma team access problems in 2026. If you can't join a team, can't see shared files, or your access keeps getting denied, this guide will help you solve it step by step. First, make sure you are signed in to the correct Figma account. Many access issues happen when you are logged into the wrong email. Next, check your invitation email carefully. If you haven't accepted the invite, you won't be able to access the team workspace. Now verify that the invitation link is still valid. Expired or revoked invites will prevent you from joining the team. Next, ask the team admin to confirm your permissions. You may not have been assigned the correct role or access level. Now try logging out of Figma and logging back in. This can refresh your account session and update your team access. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using Figma in a web browser. Old session data can interfere with access. Next, try opening Figma in a different browser or incognito window to rule out browser-related problems. Now disable VPN services, proxy settings, or extensions that may block workspace authentication. If you're using the desktop app, make sure it is updated to the latest version for proper team syncing. Finally, contact the team owner or Figma support if you still cannot access the workspace, as the issue may be permission-related on the server side. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma team access problems. You should now be able to join your team and access shared files normally. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.